Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, let's discuss about email functionality. How can we create an email and we can send it to audience? Now we have different types of email supported in ACS. Single send email, like you will send it once to a particular profile. A recurring email, we can configure it through workflow, and then over a specified period we can send it multiple times to a specified target audience. A/B test email, I will create another video for this. And a transactional message, very unique email. For example, you just signed up, or a new user signed up, or maybe you are tracking maybe card checkout, etc., new login, etc. Those are transactional message. Now let's go to the demo. The very first thing is, how can we create an email? So on home page itself, we have this create an email option. So just click on that, go to very end, we have this template available, send via email. Select it, click on next, and we have to fill in the information, like what will be the label of the email. So let's say demo email Ritesh, and ID, so let's have RM demo, and it will ask to select campaign name. Yeah, so let's select this campaign, click on confirm. You want to put in some description, that's fine, everything looks good. Click on next, and here we need to define the audience. So in real time, of course, audience will be group of people, but here what I'm going to do, I'm going to send it to a particular person. So let's go to profile, I can even drop it profile. Now what we have to do to create the audience, basically I have done it, but what we can do, if we have already, since we have already created profile, and while creation of profile we must have given our email address as well in the profile. So what we can do, we can just expand this profile attribute, and then just drag this email option here, and then it will ask to configure, like what is the email address. Okay, starts with or equals to, in our case, since we just want to target just one audience, which is nothing but I want to target myself. So what I will do, I will just give my email address, and that is what I have given. This is the email address I have given, riteshtest@test.com, and this is the email address I have used while I have created the profile for me. Okay, and if I'll just refresh this, it is giving me the count as well, like one profile is targeted to this email address. Okay, so after the target is configured, click on next. Okay, and basically it will ask if you want to use the email designer or the legacy editor. Just select the email designer. Okay, and then in next video we'll cover as in how can we design the email. So let's close it. Now what we can do, we can click on this email content subject line, basically because we want to set some subject. So maybe I will just give demo ACS email creation. Yeah, and looks good. Just close it, and it should reflect here. Okay, then we can save it. Now we can actually edit it again if you want to make any changes. So for example, if I want to change label or maybe my ID or maybe the campaign what I had selected earlier, if I want to change it, other informations are also available here, tracking, etc., validity period, content. Okay, and I can schedule it then. So basically we have two options available. The first one is once it's confirmed we can send it. Second is we can just set some time to it, as in date, etc. So that option is also available.